It is asking for the quantities. Because in that contract, there are many. So do one thing. So first PO I am creating for the 100 quantities. So now it is giving one kind of error that material is not available or not included in source list. So do one thing on the other screen. Go to ME0. Mention the material 900503. Yesterday we created this source list, but there is one thing. With that vendor, there is one agreement also. Maintain that agreement here and maintain its line items. Now save this information one more time. Okay, come back to the enter. Save. So document is still faulty because we maintained the source list later on, then creating this purchase order. So again, M21N. Only do one thing, select the document type, then go to where? Go to in the outline. Agreement. Enter quantities. Enter quantities. So I think there is no such message. If you see the scenario, I created this purchase order in reference to the contract. Can I do one thing one more time? Can I select the document type? Can I move to outline agreement one more time? Maintain the outline agreement. Enter. And now do one thing in the quantities. Try to maintain more than 900 and see the message. Target quantity exceeded by 100. Because out of that 1000, we have ordered for 100 quantities only. Still, one quantity is more. Can we create for 900? Yes. We can create this purchase order for the 900 quantities. Okay. But I'm not creating. I'm going to the other screen. Yeah. Here. Go to where? Go to OLME. Now I will go to one more time. I will go to contract. In that, I will go to release procedure for contracts. So characteristics are already available. Go to define release procedure. So release group, I created one group, G1, that is okay. Release codes. So there are 4 codes. Release indicator, already available. Release strategies. So look at the second strategy. So by double clicking, you can check. So that is the strategy up to 50K. Now we can go to classification. See, this release strategy is for total net order value from 10,001 to 50,000. But the contract we created, it was for 1 lakh. So do one thing, again create one contract, ME 31K, supplier, same, 7, this one, ZAMK, moving further, validity up to next year. Payment terms, again I'm taking 1 second. What material? Same material, 900503, and target quantities are only 400. Yeah, per item price is 100 rupees. Enter. Save this. Enter. 302 is the 415.0302. Yeah. Now do one thing. Copy that contact number. After copying, run here ME 21M. Document type ZAPO. Supplier. Don't maintain the supplier. Just go to the item over and go to the outline agreement. Now enter. Release orders against contract not possible. Why? Release orders means purchase orders cannot be created against that contract because that contract is not released. If you go to on other screen and just maintain here like release. Now do one thing, maintain L1, just L1 and F8. There is one contract 415.0302. So like to release any document is not same for every document. It is different. So release plus save. Release plus save. Second code L2. Save. Release plus save. After selecting release plus save. Then third. Now selecting and save. Last. What to do? Press F8. Select this number. Release plus save. Okay. Now again go to purchase order creation. So please enter an order quantity. Maintain the quantity here. Out of 400, I would create one purchase order for 200. So still data is stuck in the cache. If you are configuring one thing after then creating that document, so data will not be hit. Again ME21 and what to do? Select the document type. In the item mode, go to outline agreement. Enter quantities. Material not included in source list despite source list requirement. Very well. When we create the source list, So for that material, with that vendor, there is source list available. But if you try to understand the scenario, there is one thing. There is no new agreement available. That is not 301, but friends, that is 302. Okay, and source list will be completed only when you are maintaining every data. Okay, now save this information. Again, go back to here. Again, try to save. Messages will be there. You know what message? Material 900503 not included in source list. Okay, do one thing. MA21 ZPU item overview. Enter quantities. So just go to quantities, maintain 200. Now see, is there any message? No message. Because first we released that contract. After that, we did one thing. We maintained that contract in the source list also. Now source list is completed, and that is why we can create purchase orders. Okay. Again, we are moving as an end user to OLME. If you go to contract one more time, you will find what? You will find the document types. That is WK. Here it is for value contract. So I'm not changing anything. You need to change only the document type, that is WK, and selection key is the WKK, double key. So do one thing. Release procedure has already been rectified. Nothing else here. Only we can do one thing. We can go to ME31K. This time take the supplier 7. Can we take this one? Yes, no problem. Agreement type WK. Directly WK. ZA51 is okay. ZA1 is okay. Enter. One more time. Validity. So again for 1 year. Take it up to 24. Payment terms we can take. If you see the scenario here, on target value there is one star. It is mandatory to maintain. So I'm creating this contract for 95 4750. What material? Same material. Enter. Can we move further without maintaining its quantity? Yes, we can move further. If you would like to change anything, then what to do? Where to go? Click on this line item. Net order price is available. Reminders, tolerance case, and text code. This data is coming from the purchasing info report. Now Try to save. Yes. Now take this contract and where to go. One thing we know very well. We need to go to ME35K to release this. To release this, see there is one contract available. So select release plus save. This is the way to release the document, that is contract.